Today we are working on Excel Lesson 7, the second lesson, modifying and deleting name ranges. So in the last project we created some name ranges. A common situation is adding more rows to a named range. As long as you add the rows inside the range, Excel automatically includes the new data as part of the range. If you add the new data outside of the range, you'll need to expand the range to include the new rows. So click the gray header for row 18. So right here, we've highlighted that entire row. Right click and click Insert. So now select cell B18 and type Travel and press the Tab button, moves you over. In cell C18 type 1400 and press Enter. Note that none of the figures in the report change because the new entry sits outside the named range expenses. Now expand the name range to include the new entry. That's what we're going to do next, so mark that as answered. So you can expand the name range by doing this. On the Formulas tab, so click on Formulas. In the Define Names group, click Name Manager. In the Name Manager dialog box, click Expenses to select it. In the Refers to text field, change the range to sheet equals, let's see, C10 to C18. So C10, so only thing that we've got to change is take that 7 and make it an 8. Click this button right here and you can see that it now has the correct range, and then click Close and you can see it changed that. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. On the Formulas tab in the Define Names group, click Name Manager again. Click the Revenues row and then click Delete. Excel displays a message box asking you to confirm the deletion of this range name. Click OK and then click Close. Excel displays an error indicator regarding any formulas that depend on that name. So this formula down here depended on that name, these two formulas, and so now we get this error message. Note also that the changes affected C21 because it also has it. So in the Quick Access toolbar, click Undo, and that puts it back. So it's just showing you that if you mess up, you're going to get an error. Submit. 3 green check marks. And this completes modifying and deleting name ranges.